Okay, you guys, what you're gonna need for this, you're gonna need 2 extension cords. Now, it doesn't matter how many prongs it is on this one because we're gonna end up chopping it off. Gonna need one of your vanity lights, and you're gonna need some scissors. Now, with each light that you buy, it comes with this right here. So what you want to do first is these things right here, you want to go ahead and pop them off. I recommend to do this before you start wiring. Go ahead, in your vanity, you're going to see a big hole in the middle. Go ahead and put the white and black cords before you screw them with your extension cord. Go ahead and put it through the back and then start your wiring. So I decided to cut mine about here. Mind you, do it on the side for this, okay? You still need to plug this up like a regular clip. You see this middle part right here? You want to try to cut through the middle part without actually cutting the wires. See? Boom. So let's go ahead and cut some more off. Don't cut the whole thing. I think I cut the whole thing. Do it really soft, just to the point where this can slip off. Boom. Put them together. And if you know that you cut the wire a little bit, please cut them out. So at the end, you want to have your wires looking something like this. This is what you want your wires looking like. For this, you're going to see a white wire and a black wire. This is what you need. Now back into this bag, you want to get this one. These are your wire thingy. We're gonna use this to twist our wire together. That's how it should look like. Okay, now that you have the final wires looking like this, connecting to the end wire right here, you want to try to test it out. If you turn it on to the back of your vanity, you see where it says G and D, this little screw right here. You're going to ground this and screw it in there. Don't screw it in too tight. Not just yet, not yet. On this side, this is what you're going to attach this wiring from this board. The inside of it, you're going to attach this wiring to the ground right here. Go back right here, tighten it really tight. All right, then your end should look like this. So now that we ground this, pull this through the back, you can put it back on.